What's up, guys? This is a new weekly update on my journey from 0 to 10K a month with an AI automation agency. And I've been in this space for 2 years now, and I'm currently making around 2,500 bucks a month. So, yeah, I'm not close to the 10K mark, but I'm documenting my journey here on how I will get to the 10K and beyond with my business. Okay, so right now I run an AI automation agency called Content Agency OS, where we build, I'm going to show you the logo actually, where we build, where is that? We build, so it's this logo over here, this one. Um, okay, the quality is all awful here, but where we build an operation system for content agencies so that they can scale way smoother, okay, way smoothly and way better. So this right here that you are looking at is a whiteboard where I just document each week, and we basically just I write down here what happened this week, and then I strategize the next week. Okay, so let's go over this. This is next week. Let's go over what was the plan for this week. Okay, so the plan was to start popping out new content. So I have a YouTube channel, but I stopped making content because I wasn't targeting an actual ICP. So yeah, I wasn't getting any clients for it. Okay, but now that I have the content agency OS, I want to make content directly to my ICP on that YouTube channel to drive clients to the business. Okay, so I decided to do this week, and I actually did it. So let's do this. I worked on the next content ideas. I created the next Figma board for the video, and I made a LinkedIn post, and I added more features to the system as well. But let's actually see more in detail what I did. So in terms of client acquisition, I did post a YouTube video. Okay, so let's go over here. I actually have a screenshot. So this is my channel right now. I have this amount of subscribers. So I changed the brand. You can see 2 months ago it was like this, the thumbnails and all that. Now the brand is different. I changed the banner. It's now mentioning content agencies. You can see over here the video that I posted. Uh, it calls out the content agencies, and yeah, I got 61 views so far, which is not bad. Comparing that to like this video. Obviously, this is kind of like niche down because it's kind of like targeting content agency owners that use Notion, so it's kind of niche down. So yeah, definitely not bad. I didn't get any booked calls, but I'm definitely showing that I know what I'm talking about, right? And I did the LinkedIn post as well, which is this one over here. If you want, you can read it, but it took me a lot of time to make this LinkedIn post. I don't know why, but it's just so stupid. But yeah, I really do want to reduce the amount I take to make a LinkedIn post. Yeah, and then he has this image over here. He got 6 likes. Obviously, like 6 is like me. Okay, you and 6 others. Yeah, those 6 others are like not ICP. So, but yeah, I would, since I use LinkedIn a lot to chat with potential clients, having an actual post that is not like 5 months old is good. So yeah, cool. So for my existing clients, so I have a client that pays me 2.2K right now. I'm building a lot of custom stuff for him. He's a content agency owner, but I'm not selling my system, my operation system. I'm selling like development services basically. So where we build a bunch of stuff. Okay. And now we are starting to brainstorm and build a SaaS/low ticket product for this business. Okay. Let me just drink some water here. I think I'm a little bit sick, but yeah, I don't know. Got the TCOS, so this is my system, my product basically. I started building the pre-production workflow. So we have the post-production workflow inside of a content agency, but we also have the pre-production. So I'm starting to build that. And other thing that we did this week is I went to my cousin's prom, which messed up like 3 days of work because on that day we got home at 7 a.m. So that messed up the next day, and the next day. So yeah, a lot of hours wasted because of that. But yeah, it was cool. It was cool. Okay, so the plans for next week is to again make a new YouTube video. So I'm trying to make a weekly YouTube video. I'm gonna make a LinkedIn post as well. I'm gonna build a SaaS layout for Shaz. Shaz is the retainer client. I'm gonna finish the pre-production workflow. I'm gonna start to build the schedule and publish interface. So just an easy way for the agency owner on the system to schedule and publish the content that they make for their clients. Okay. Another thing I want to do actually is wake up early and get in a better routine. So right now my routine is messed up. So yeah, I want to get back to a good routine. Actually, today I woke up at 9 a.m., which is very good for my standards. Okay, very good because yeah, these past few weeks it's like I wake up at 10 or I wake up at 10:30 or 11 and then 9:30 and then 10:30 and it's just like all over the place. So that mess ups with your focus, with your energy and your work and everything in your gym, the workouts. So having an actual routine that you stick to every day is like so good. And it's just like the theory. I don't even know like the actual how you feel if you follow a routine because I've never done that. Obviously, I had a routine, like not even in school, right? I didn't. I wasn't waking up every day at the same hour. Sorry, because classes they they didn't start every day at the same day, so at the same hour. So yeah, I pretty much never actually stick to a routine where I wake up and I go to bed at the same hour every day, right? So yeah, it's hard to do it because usually I go out at least one time a week, which means that I will go to bed at like I don't know 2 a.m. right, and that means the next day I can't wake up at 9 a.m. Otherwise, I will be like completely destroyed. So yeah, it's very hard to get into an actual routine. Obviously, if I was like I would need to like get into the monk mode thing, the monk mode, where it would be like this month, it's like completely lock in. There is no going out, there is nothing, just completely lock in, and I would follow the routine there. Otherwise, yeah, it's hard if you're gonna go out a day in a week. But you know, the rest of the days you can follow the routine, right? So yeah, try to do that. Uh, yeah, that's the plans for next week. I'm not very energetic right now because it's not very early in the morning. Okay, it's 11:30, but yeah, I think I'm a little bit sick here. But yeah, guys, let's keep pushing, keep working, so that we can accomplish our goals. I don't know what your goal is. Obviously, this 10K thing is like a goal more for this YouTube channel, not exactly like my life's goal, but yeah, I just want to build a good business that actually changes lives and actually helps people and make money with it. So that's my goal. But yeah, documenting it with an actual number, it's obviously better for the titles of these YouTube videos and all that stuff. So yeah, you can access this Figma board in the description as well if you want to take a look at every week so far. Obviously, I didn't start from zero. Like this week, I already had like 2 years of experience. But yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to also document your journey and strategize what you're gonna do and execute it by following the plan and making sure you complete your tasks to complete your goals as well. So yeah, that's it, guys. Motorcycle going over right now, but that's it, guys. I hope you have an amazing day, and I see you in the next week.